Hello, Group 3. So your group leader is Ross, and I really enjoy reading your discussion about the group topics. And I really like Grace's idea about what will affect the people's happiness. And she even find that the data set is really a good start point. And just spend some time exploring the data set. So for this week's assignment, I want you to identify the variable x, and which is the independent variables, and one y variable, dependent variables. So if you have no idea about the dependent variable and the independent variables, and I highly recommend you to go back and read the article about determining future success of college students. So that is our first referral report, and I think many of you are really enjoying reading that article because the referral report are excellent, I think. And so in that article, so you will find the topic they are discussing actually is what will affect the graduate income. And if you look at the model in the middle on the page, if you look at the model on page 14, and you will find an equation, and on the left hand side is income, and on the right hand side they have the GPA, major, SAT math score, SAT verbal score, work experience, race, female, and age. So the income is what we call it the Y variable, dependent variable. And so in this discussion, I require you to identify your Y variables, and it must be the quantitative variable. So if you look at the paper, the Y variable income is a quantitative variable. It's not a categorical variable, so it must be the quantitative variables. And also you need to identify at least two independent variable, X variable. And we have the requirement for the independent variable, at least one of it should be quantitative variable. If you look at that paper, and the GPA, SAT math score, SAT verbal score, and age, all those variables are quantitative variables. And besides the quantitative variable, so which you must have the quantitative variable, you can also include some categorical variable, such as they include the gender and the age. So the X variable is trying to help you to explain the Y variable. So they are thinking the GPA, major, SAT math score, and SAT verbal score, working experience, race, female, and age. All those variables can affect the graduate income. So talking about your group's topic, what will affect the people's happiness? Then you can go back to look at your data set. So which variable can really affect the happiness, your happiness index? So make sure you can finalize the Y variable and X variables in this week's group discussion.